Here are 10 study tips that can help you improve your grades. 1. Manage your time effectively. Make a study schedule and stick to it. Set specific goals for each study session and prioritize your tasks based on their importance. 2. Create a suitable study environment. Find a quiet and comfortable place to study where you can concentrate and avoid distractions. 3. Take notes. Write down important information and key concepts as you read or listen to lectures. Review your notes regularly to reinforce your learning. 4. Use active learning techniques. Engage in activities that encourage active learning, such as summarizing, outlining, and explaining concepts to others. 5. Utilize study aids. Use study aids such as flashcards, practice exams, and online quizzes to assess your understanding of the material. 6. Seek help when needed. Don't be afraid to ask your teacher, tutor, or classmates for help if you're struggling with a particular topic. 7. Avoid multitasking. Concentrate on one task at a time. Avoid multitasking, as it can lead to decreased productivity and increased stress. 8. Get enough rest. Make sure you get enough sleep and take breaks regularly to avoid burnout and maintain your focus. 9. Stay organized. Keep your study materials organized, such as your notes, textbooks, and handouts. 10. Stay motivated. Set realistic goals for yourself and reward yourself for achieving them. Stay positive and persist through setbacks. Let us know if you have any insights or methods currently working for you in the comments. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.